The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: downtown Pittsburgh, northern Pittsburgh, until further notice. At 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe, large thunderstorm was producing large-sized hail and damaging winds. Although a tornado is not likely, immediate action should be taken immediately. Go indoors, stay indoors, as this storm is very dangerous. Please do not go outside during the storm. If you do, you may be killed due to the high winds. And also, the storm has been producing minor flooding. Please take shelter immediately. This is WJXT4 here, live in Pittsburgh. There is a severe thunderstorm warning in our area. Although there is no tornadoes in the area, you should still take immediate action. Please go indoors immediately, as this storm will hit the Pittsburgh metro area in an hour. There already has been large-sized hail falling with this storm and torrential rainfall. Please go indoors immediately. A tornado watch has been issued by the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh. At 11:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, multiple rotating clouds have been spotted in the area. Please do not go investigate or go outside and storm chase, because these swirling, rotating clouds are very dangerous, and they could produce a tornado on the ground. Please get indoors now. And flying debris will be deadly to those outside. Impacts include Pittsburgh metro area, northern Pittsburgh, and southern Pittsburgh. And a severe thunderstorm watch has been severe thunderstorm warning has been extended until 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I repeat, a tornado watch has been issued from the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh until 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A tornado watch has been issued in the Pittsburgh metro area in southern Pennsylvania. The storm is getting stronger, but there is a tornado watch has been issued also. Please get indoors immediately, as the storm will produce torrential rainfalls up to 12 inches and high winds up to 80 miles per hour. I repeat, do not go outside or storm chase. A tornado warning has been issued by the National Weather Service in Pennsylvania. And a large and extremely deadly tornado has been spotted 25 miles away from the Pittsburgh metro area. Please take immediate action now. Go underground in a storm shelter or basement. I repeat, this storm is causing lots of damage and deaths. Please go inside now. Impact, your life is in immediate danger. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught outside. I repeat, a tornado warning has been issued by the Pennsylvania National Weather Service until further notice.